Hi friends, welcome to today's daily market analysis. Many of the traders might have lost a lot of money. I also lost money, but today was a golden opportunity to make a lot of money with small investment. I will tell you how, and we will discuss the reasons behind the fall at 1:30 or after 2 p.m. Okay, there are many speculations, but we will take up all the things one by one. So what happened today was at around 1:32 p.m., the market went bearish. And if we take Nifty, Nifty went from 14,750 to 14,525. That was a 225 point downward movement in Nifty within 1 hour. And in Bank Nifty, you can see it fell from 32,800 up to 32,000. That was a huge fall. That was of 800 points in a very few time. Okay, so we will discuss all these factors. So yesterday morning at the 10:30, I told you that there was a huge open interest build at. There was a huge call rating at 32,500 in Bank Nifty. Okay, so you can see it was 24 lakh, and in 32,400 it was 10 lakh, around 10 lakh. And in Nifty you can see at the same time there was a huge resistance at 14,600, 14,650 and 14,700. Why it was so is there was a sudden recovery in Nifty after falling to 14,250, and people expected for 14,666. That was the high before that, not to be broken. Okay, so there was a huge open interest build up at 14,600, 14,650, and 14,700. That might be the first reason for the huge fall today. You can see those initial call option sellers might be the biggest players in Nifty and might want to protect the call option selling. Okay, so I think they might be the first cause of the fall today. The second cause of this huge fall is, I think, the technical glitch, because no, there was a huge problem in Zerodha and Uptox regarding many options like put option 32,500, etc. There was a very huge lag, like 32,500 PE, 32,300 PE. There was a huge lag in those options. Okay, so that might be caused by technical lag. And you can see last month, 21st December, there was a technical lag in Nifty and it fell like anything. Okay, and since it was a technical glitch in Nifty, the Nifty recovered in a V shape. Okay, Nifty recovered in a V shape. You can see on December 21st, the net cash flow in FIA DAA was positive. But then also Nifty fell by huge margin, like 13,750 to 13,150. It fell 600 points. Okay, that was due to a technical glitch. And you can see here the FIA inflow, FIA DAA net cash is positive. And today also you can see FIA DAA net cash flow was positive. This 600 crore positive. Then also Nifty fell by huge margin. It can be due to the technical glitch. Many of the Twitter users and many traders was pointing out these problems in 32,300 PE and 32,500 PE in Bank Nifty. This might be the second reason of the fall. And the third reason is the panic selling by the new retail investors. The new retail investors who is thinking about the Q3 profit, Q3 results profit. So they will be investing in different types of stocks like bank stocks, etc., expecting the Q3 results. And when there is a sudden fall, they sell in a panic. There is one more reason due to which we can see sudden fall and sudden recovery in Nifty. And as always, coming to the third reason, you can see at 130 euro FTSE, you can see at 130 itself, at 145 itself, this market showed a huge red candle. Okay, and at 2 p.m. this fell like anything. At the same time our market fell, this also fell. We cannot definitely say whether Nifty followed the FTSE or FTSE followed the Nifty. Both the market fell at the same time. One thing we can see is after the initial gap up opening, it was not able to sustain. So that was the initial hint for the huge fall. And the fourth reason, everyone might be knowing that fire broke out at Serum Institute vaccine manufacturing plant. the news came around the same time, so that might be also acting like a catalyst in this fall. So these are the four reasons which made Nifty fell like anything on Thursday expiry. You have to remember, Thursdays the market will not fall like this. It happens only once in 2 months, but it presents a golden opportunity. That is what we are going to discuss. How it will act as a golden opportunity. You can see this is the graph of Nifty 14,650 PE. So you can see at 4:30 the price was 1.62. Like if you pay 100 rupees, you can get one lot of 14,650. Okay, and it went up to 105. So if you had spent 100 rupees, that may be converted into 10,000 rupees. So spending 100 rupees, you will be getting 10,000. So if you had spent 10,000, you will be getting 10 lakhs. Okay, and same with Bank Nifty. So you can see this is the graph of 32,500 PE. Okay, this was 3 rupees 52 paise. That was you can purchase a lot of 25 with 100 rupees. So 100 rupees went to how much? One lot went to 473. That is that is 473, or you can see if you had exited at 400 into 25, so 10,000. So 100 rupees 10,000, same formula, 100 rupees 10,000. If you had purchased one lot, you can get around 10,000 rupees. You can see if anyone has cashed that news, like Serum Institute, or anyone has got to know about the European market behaving before the opening, you can see at 1 p.m. You can see if you had purchased this 32,500 around 2:30, you can take that at 7 rupees at that time. Okay, so if you had this news, or if you are able to guess this fall, you might be able to make lakhs of rupees in just half an hour. I need to warn you that this thing happens only once in 2 months. It will not happen every time. Normally on expiry Thursday, Nifty and Bank Nifty will be very stable. Okay, very stable. It will not go like this, but this happens once in 2 months. Okay, so you have to remember call option sellers were expecting Nifty to remain below 14,600 from Tuesday itself, but due to this announcement of stimulus from US and all the things happening in US, this market was getting highly positive. Okay, so if you had monitored the futures or real-time major indices, you might be getting these clues whether the market is going to fall or going upwards. Okay, this kind of things has happened before. You can see on 26th November, what happened was RBI governor made a speech at Foreign Investors Forum where he told very positive things about the Indian economy and the V-shaped recovery, etc. And on that particular day, Nifty went from 12,870s to 13,000. Okay, 18,000. And on that day, actually, this 12,950 CE, it was at 1 rupee around 2:45, 2:50 p.m. and it went to 50 rupees. Another example of same kind, what happened today was on November 19th, the week before that, and you can see huge fall in the market after 1:30 p.m. After 1:30 p.m., huge fall in the market. What happened that day was the European market opened in negative at 1:30 p.m. So our market followed, and there was a huge volatility. On that day, if you had 12,800 PE or 12,800 CE bought at 1 rupee, you could have made profit in huge amounts. Okay, so this was another example. November 19th, you can check the graph yourself. November 19th, November 26th, and today. And once again, I warn you, this happens only once in a while. So if you are confident only, you can take this call. Okay, if you are confident that Nifty will fall or Nifty will rise, very unexpectedly after 2:30 or 2:45, you can take this call. You have to remember after 3:20, even if you purchase these options at 1 rupee, 2 rupee, the price will not change much after 3:20. Everything needs to be done between 2:45 and 3:10. That is the maximum time, or 3:15. After that it is of no use. Okay, so if you can capture this kind of fall after 2 p.m. on expiry day, you can make huge profit. So coming on to tomorrow's trade, you can see if it was a technical fall, as you can see FIA DAA net was positive on the same day as of 21st December. You can see the V-shaped recovery. Nifty recovered those 600 points in a matter of 3 days. And if it was a fall enabled by technical glitch in Nifty, you can see the last time when it happened, it recovered 600 points in a matter of 3 days. Okay, so today also FIA was positive, and if it was a technical glitch, and if global markets are positive tomorrow, you can see the recovery of 150 points tomorrow itself. Okay, you might be able to see Bank Nifty closing 32,600 tomorrow itself. And coming on to option chain, you can see 15,000 will act as a heavier resistance, and also you can see huge resistance at 14,800, 14,700, and 14,600. And I feel Nifty will not cross 14,800. And regarding put option selling, you can see 19 lakh put options sold at 14,600. This indicates that there will be good amount of support at 14,600. Okay, so that's all for today. You can join our Telegram group Unmasking Trading. I will be sharing the link below this video. We'll be giving you important updates regarding the market and all the logic behind those inputs. So that's all for today. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.